Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a disk partition in Windows 11 using disk management. Please follow along. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. You have to right click on the Windows Start menu and then select disk management, or you can search run and then type diskmanagement.msc to open up a disk management window. Right click on C drive and then choose option shrink volume. It's going to take a little bit time and a new window will show up.